制作城市文风。
You got what you came for. You don't need to kill us too.
Fisk's territory is ours now.
Not today.
蜘蛛侠来了，发射警报！小心，蛛丝！要杀那个！
Hey, Willie.
You
Nice jumpsuit. Slimming.
stay out of my business.
Wait, the demons. Who's their leader?
Keep my men alive, and maybe I'll tell you.
Saving bad guys from other bad guys. Not how I thought today would go. Well, I got their attention. Didn't see that coming.
I could have taken him.
Sure.
I'm not going anywhere. Ah, 弄不到了！我们需要支援。 我们必须打败他！他受伤了，解决他！
You two stay here. Wait for the police.
How do you think this? 今天吓死了！
You okay?
Yeah.
Your men are safe. Your turn. Who runs the demons?
Maybe he's there. Maybe he isn't. Check the room.
I've missed these cryptic fist talks. Hello again. Oh, come on. No, 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 no! Did that just happen? Yeah.
I'm getting reports of a helicopter with a wrecking ball.
Yeah, things with the demons got complicated. Sit tight, Yuri. I got this. Please, let me got this. Oh, rockets!
That helicopter is destroying the city.
I know.
You need to bring it down.
I know.
Maybe you can superhero a little faster?
Working on it, Yuri. Call you when it's done. Now's my chance. Might live to regret this. Hi, is this the flight to Newark? This is your master plan? Replace Fisk?
Kidding!
One engine down. Now for the second. Right, I have to ask you to pull over the helicopter, sir. You're playing real fast. I guess this is the plan. Come on, Pete, you got this. You got this, you got this, you got this. These masks are so awesome. Where do you get them?
Cool,
thanks. Do they have a website?
Yes!
Whoops. Hey, Yuri. I caught the bad guys, but
But what?
you might want to bring a ladder. Yo, Miles. Hey, fanboy.